手刀の動作、用意、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。
Tegatana refers to the side of the hand, in particular the side of the little finger joint. However, in practice, Tegatana can refer to the tip of the little finger down to the elbow, and also the inside of the arm. The fingers are kept straight, with the four fingers together, and my arms stretched in a natural curve. In 1975, Tamiki Kenshi-san produced a film entitled Aikido Kyoki. During the course of this film, Tamiki-san demonstrated Tegatana dosa and also explained it in the following way. If metsuke, eye contact, and mai, correct distancing, are incorporated into the dance-like movements of this exercise, Tegatana dosa, they become an empty-handed form of kendo, the highest form of self-defense. As you progress, you will notice that this Tegatana dosa is utilized in all Aikido techniques. In this explanation, Tamiki-san gives importance to the relationship between Tegatana dosa and sword techniques. Because of this, we can highlight 3 important points to focus on during our practice. The first is the correct shape of Tegatana, with the blade always facing towards the opponent. Second is to always keep center line, Seijusen. Always my hand in front of my center. Third is to move both feet, using my whole body to keep a stable and balanced posture. Tegatana dosa is comprised of 7 movements, organized into 5 sets. The first, Shoumi no uchikomi, Shoumi no tsukikomi. In the first movement, Shoumi no uchikomi, my left hand comes into center, raises above my head, and cuts down. This is my eye level. In this position, I relax the tension in my arm, so it drops naturally, and then come from underneath. The important point is to not stop in this position. This is not 1, 2 in the count. This is each one movement. The next movement is kirikaishi. My left hand raises through center and comes around. This stops in my center line. And again, from above the head, round to the other side. Again, stopping in center. The important point is not to stop in this position. This is 1, 2, 3. The one smooth movement. The third movement is makitsuki. In this position, my left hand rotates around to the outside, stopping in my center, comes back, and then palm up to this position. Again, not stopping in this position. 1, 2, 3. Always using body movement and then move. The fourth movement is kesoichi, shown from the side. this movement. In this case, I use my left hand on my opposite leg. My left hand comes up through center, my shoulder height. I cut down, face the opposite direction, and then come back. My hand is always in my center, this position. So after the turn, my hips should be facing square. Also important is my feet. My first step, slightly, my foot turns inside. This helps assist with the turn. The last step also comprises two movements. The first is Tenkai no Ichikomi. Also Tentai no Ichikomi. In Tenkai no Ichikomi, my left hand comes into the center, above my head, cuts down to my side. Then repeat it on the opposite hand. In Tentai no Ichikomi, I open my body, move both feet back to the back corner. At the same time, I rotate my hand, comes up through center, and cuts down. Important point is to keep looking forwards through this movement.